Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear Safari search history or website data. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, go to settings. Then go down here, search for application or apps. Click on apps. Then go down here, you will find out Safari here. Click on Safari. Then go down here, you will find out an option called Clear History and Website Data. Click on this. In here you will get 4 options. Last hour, today and yesterday, and the last one is all history. Select your desired one. At the bottom you will see Clear History. Click on Clear History and all the history and website data on your Safari will be cleared. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.